Hi everyone. I just wanted to have a quick chat with all of you. Thanks for tuning in. What happened today? I was actually in a project status tracking call, and uh, this young girl just raises her hand and just throws this question at me, saying, "You are doing, it seems, what you like to do, but I'm being asked to do things which I'm actually not interested in. So, how you think just now you said that it's very important for the entire team to deliver on time and keeping in mind the quality aspects so that we meet the client expectations. So when I'm not at all interested in something which I'm being asked to do, how will I be able to abide by the time and maintain quality? And all these things are all sounding Latin and Greek. So I took a deep breath, thought it over. The question was a brilliant one, right? Then I told her, in fact, I used to think the same way when I was being given a bunch of these Excel and other uh, documents to fill up. And then I started thinking, if everyone in the team starts thinking this way, I'm not interested in doing this, I'm not interested in doing that, then we can never achieve anything, right? So why not think the other way around? Why not start doing things which we are not comfortable in doing? And most of the time, when we think seriously, why we don't like doing something is that we are being challenged. We are not fully equipped or we lack knowledge in how to give that task our best because we are not having complete information. So why not dig deeper and try finding out ways in how to do the job better? The way we think, our attitude makes us see things that way. If we think in our mind something is not interesting, we'll always find ourselves cut off from the reality. Ultimately, we are all here to work, and that's why we are having this dialogue, right? The entire scenario changed, and everyone got together mentioning that, yeah, I'm there, you can reach out to me. Some volunteers were there who said that they are going to help out this a new member in the project team. And within a few minutes, air was filled with positivity. And that is something which made my day. Thank you.